Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West. Today I'm going to talk to you about subframe connectors for 93 through 79 Mustangs. Now what I have on the table is a part number 912. This is a round tube subframe connector where it's full length, by the way, which means it ties into the bulkheads. This section back here will tie into the area where your lower control arms pick up in the rear. And this section up front here ties into where you're in the lower bulkhead where your feet would be when you sit in the car. We span the full length. And then we have support gussets that also tie in along the subframe and tie into the main floor to also stiffen it as well. So we put a lot of the load through the subframe connector. Another thing we have available, now this is a 920. Now the 920 is a seat support brace. And this comes in underneath. The seat bolts down through the top here. There's bolts that drop down through, and we use this and we tie in to the subframe connector. This gets welded to the subframe during your installation. And we take that load off the seat at the back two bolts and support it through the main subframe. Those floors are a little flimsy, they flex a bit, and by tying that in, makes it a lot more rigid. The subframe connector is great because one, it'll allow you to actually you can use a floor jack on this to jack the vehicle up. Secondly, is it transfers load a lot faster. So in a performance application, you want to transfer load so the car takes a set quicker. That's what a subframe connector does. And being round tube, it's for torsional rigidity. The 912 subframe is a weld-on. It's not a bolt-on. In order to make this work on unibody cars, you must have a weld-on subframe connector. Again, part number 912, it fits 79 through 93 Mustangs. Part number 920, seat supports, something you consider an option when you're running the 912. There's a video coming up on a 93 on our installation. Check it out, and if you have any questions, give us a call. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in other videos that we may do or other products that we may have, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Instagram. Thanks again.